Does your jaw make a clicking and popping sound every time you open and close? What does that mean? Let me explain. Your jaw joint is like any other synovial joint. You have a meniscus in there. And if you're making a noise every time you're opening and closing, it means that that meniscus is not stable in position. So essentially, every time you close down, you hear a click. That's when the meniscus is popping out. And when you open big, you hear the pop. It's popping back in place. What it means is that you don't have the correct physiologic space to accommodate room for your meniscus in the place. The next natural question should be, what does dictate that position? If you followed some of my videos, by now you should be saying the bite. That's right. If your bite is too closed, you're not going to have room for the meniscus. So if that keeps popping out, that should be a signal to you that your bite is not correct. Leaving this problem untreated can lead to a number of different issues such as jaw joint pain, osteoarthritic changes in the bone, and other posturals and cervical problems. So it's better to find somebody with the proper training that can help you in correcting that problem and taking care of all the other symptoms.